Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to make logo in Figma. Log in first into your Figma account. And for this logo, we will just play with the line tools of Figma. I will make different shapes and we'll select this line tool here and connect it to make a shape. Just drag it and rotate its position. After making a shape, copy and paste it here to make a brand logo of your desire. We can select it all and group it together by selecting all the shape and right-click on it and select Group Selection. You can already move it as one. We can adjust the type of line, thickness, and color by clicking these tools in this area. Now, let's add text here by clicking this and place it where you want around here. Let's proceed to the second logo. Here, you can change the color of your background by clicking in here. We can directly select a shape here. Let's try this star shape. Click here to change the color. Let's duplicate the shape by copying and pasting it. And resize it smaller than the first one and change its color. Do this until it will look like this. And add the name of your brand and choose the color of the text. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!